In today's video, I'm going to teach you Manus AI versus ChatGPT versus Claude, who wins the AI crown. By the end, you'll know which model to pick for different kinds of writing and problem solving, so you get better results with less trial and error. Let's start with Manus AI. Manus is praised for structured, professional writing and business-style outputs. Think of it as your go-to for polished deliverables that need clear organization and a formal tone. If you're drafting reports, proposals, executive summaries, standard operating procedures, or client emails, Manus tends to lock into a clean structure with headings, clear sections, and concise language. It's dependable when you need consistency, compliance-friendly phrasing, and a format that looks ready for stakeholders. A helpful tip is to provide an outline or a short template. Manus responds especially well when you specify the tone, such as formal, neutral, or concise, and when you ask for clearly labeled sections. You'll often get something that feels meeting-ready on the first pass. Next up is ChatGPT, which excels at versatility, creativity, and casual conversational writing. This is the model to lean on for brainstorming, generating lots of ideas quickly and adapting to different voices. It's strong at social posts, scripts, catchy headlines, playful copy, and content that benefits from variety or humor. It also pivots smoothly between tasks, summarizing one moment, role-playing the next, and then drafting a friendly message. To get the most from ChatGPT, give it a clear vibe and constraints like word count, audience, or platform, and ask for 2 or 3 variations. You'll typically receive creative breadth that makes it easy to cherry-pick your favorite direction. Finally, there's Claude, which stands out for nuanced reasoning, depth, and handling complex prompts. When you're working through intricate problems, multi-step analyses, or content that demands careful judgment, Claude shines. It's well-suited for breaking down complicated requests, synthesizing long materials, comparing trade-offs, or outlining complex workflows with dependencies and criteria. To help Claude do its best work, provide context up front. Define objectives and constraints, and ask it to structure the approach before drafting. This tends to produce thoughtful, thorough outputs that hold up under scrutiny. So who wins the AI crown? The real answer is, it depends on the job. Manus AI is best for professional, structured outputs. ChatGPT is best for versatility and creativity. Claude is best for reasoning and complex workflows. Match the tool to the task, give clear instructions, and you'll consistently get stronger results.